Can you buy a TikTok account and make money from it? This question randomly popped in my head and I wanted to get an answer for it. So I came up with a simple plan. Buy a TikTok account that's already making money using the TikTok Creativity Program, or recently renamed to the Creator Rewards Program, and try to make more money from it. It sounds good on paper, but does it actually work? Well, I dedicated weeks of my life towards testing this idea and the results were unexpected, to be honest. Chapter 1. Buying the account. This was the most important part of this challenge, because if I had bought the wrong account, it would have definitely ended up as a failure. So I started looking for accounts on different websites and Discord servers. I came across lots of accounts with fake engagement and fake followers. After spending days searching, I finally came across this account. It was an account dedicated to publishing phone wallpapers. Basically, the owner would post different wallpapers and the viewers would pause the video to take a screenshot of the wallpaper they liked. And this seemed to lead to higher engagement and more views. The account had 192 euros or about $200 in balance, and the owner was asking for $700 for it. But if the account is so good, why are they selling it? That's the question I asked myself. After analyzing the account more, I saw that the $200 on the account was because of 2 recent viral videos. And in the previous months, the account had made way less money per post. The problem was that the owner would mostly post slideshows instead of the plus 1 minute long videos that TikTok pays you for. This was a risky deal because I would have to slowly go from posting slideshows to videos. But I still went with it. I negotiated the price down to $500. Made the payment using Solana and bought the account. However, one of the most important things in this process is being able to keep making the videos exactly like the previous owner. Because if the audience realizes the account was sold, they might unfollow. That's why you need a powerful software that can generate, modify, and enhance content for you. A software like Wondershare's Unique Converter. It is literally an all-in-one toolbox. It can generate thumbnails. For example, I'll generate a photography-style thumbnail about the human eye with an aspect ratio of 16:9. And voila! There it is, directly saved to my computer. Or I can enhance low-quality videos so I can use them in my editing. See the difference? Maybe I need to turn text into speech, write scripts, or convert files into different formats. I can also easily resize videos for different social media platforms, modify and improve audio, and much more. Explaining these side hustles using these animations is really expensive. Wondershare's team has been supportive of our channel and has sponsored this video. So make sure to click the link in the description and try out their Unique Converter software. In addition to their free features, they offer a 7-day free trial on their AI tools. So it's risk-free. Now let's get to my upload strategy. Chapter 2. Upload strategy. So I bought the account. Now it was time to strategize about how I can go from posting slideshows to videos. However, I didn't want to stop uploading the slideshows because they were bringing a lot of views, and the followers liked it. After a couple of hours of planning, I came up with an upload strategy. My plan was to upload 3 times a day. One slideshow at 3 p.m., one video at 6 p.m., and another slideshow at 9 p.m. This way, I would still get the high engagement from the slideshows, but also make some money from the video. I started implementing this strategy, but a problem occurred. As I kept uploading, finding stunning and captivating wallpapers kept getting tougher and tougher, because I needed about 50 to 60 wallpapers per day for all 3 of my posts. And after making about 20 posts and using about 900 freaking wallpapers, finding new ones got really difficult. But I kept on posting and made about 20 videos and 30 slideshows, and the account reached 39 million views in total. Good amount of views, I know. But remember, these views were coming from the videos and the slideshows, and I was only getting paid for the videos. So let's get down to the numbers. Chapter 3. Return on investment. So how much did I make from this experiment in total? After getting 1.2 million qualified views, which are the views that TikTok pays you for, I made about 342 euros or $370. This was not an amazing amount of money, but I almost made my investment back in 2 weeks. I literally got 74% of my money back, and I have an extra account now that's gonna earn money next month. I might also use this account to try affiliate marketing or print on demand in the future, so if you wanna see a video about that, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Keep hustling!